Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more investment insights. All the links mentioned in this review, along with other helpful resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Groundfloor. Groundfloor, a real estate investment app review. Groundfloor is a distinctive real estate investment platform offering access to short-term, high-yield investments in real estate debt. Designed with accessibility in mind, Groundfloor caters to everyone with low minimum investment requirements and a strong emphasis on transparency. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio with real estate-backed loans, Groundfloor is an excellent option to consider. One of Groundfloor's most compelling features is its remarkably low minimum investment. You can begin investing with just $10, making it a feasible entry point for new investors and a convenient testing ground for experienced investors wanting to explore the platform. This low barrier to entry democratizes real estate investing, opening up opportunities previously limited to institutional investors or those with accredited status. Groundfloor's core focus lies in real estate debt investments. This means you act as a lender for short-term loans primarily used for property renovations. These loans are secured by the real estate itself, providing an added layer of security compared to traditional equity investments. Loan terms typically range from 6 to 12 months, offering significantly quicker liquidity than long-term real estate investments. The platform also boasts a comprehensive loan grading system. Each loan is assigned a grade from A to G, with lower grades signifying higher potential yields but also increased risk. This transparent grading system empowers investors to make informed decisions aligned with their individual risk tolerance and financial objectives. Detailed loan profiles offer further insights, including property information, borrower background checks, and financial projections. Groundfloor's user-friendly dashboard simplifies the entire investment process. You can easily browse available investment opportunities, track your portfolio's performance, and seamlessly reinvest returns. The platform's straightforward design streamlines the process of building a diversified real estate portfolio. While Groundfloor presents a compelling investment model, it's crucial to remember that these investments are not FDIC insured. There's always an inherent risk of borrower default. However, Groundfloor's historical performance demonstrates a strong track record, and the diversification options offered on the platform can help mitigate potential risks. In summary, Groundfloor offers a compelling platform for investors interested in short-term, real estate-backed debt investments with low minimums and rapid liquidity. Its accessibility, transparency, and potential for high yields make it an appealing choice for portfolio diversification. Click the links in the description to explore Groundfloor further and determine if it aligns with your investment goals. This review aims to provide clarity on whether Groundfloor is the right platform for your real estate investment journey.